I'm at iDissect, Anatomy for the Face, and it's a fabulous 3-day course actually, and day 1 is didactic teaching, where we learn from professors from Paris and Italy about the actual anatomical planes and where the bones are and where the arteries and the muscles are.
With very good explanation of anatomy structures and procedures.
Today is the second day of iDissect course. We are in Mohammed bin Rashid College, Anatomy Lab. I liked the work today. This is the first time I have been in a workshop like this, while you inject the botox and filler, and you can check which layer you are injecting the material.
We want to do great injections and safe injections. So day 2 is actually coming to the cadaver lab. We're actually going through the anatomical dissection, knowing where we are injecting. That's highly important for all of us who are doing injections of Botox or fillers.
Second day was a cadaver day, when we dissected on cadavers, and third day was hands-on live patient day, and we did injections, procedures with our trainers, and it was very nice. I am very satisfied.
It's really good course, and I recommend this course for all doctors who want or wish to work in anti-aging.
Really recommend this course. Come to Dubai and get into iDissect Face. Thank you.